From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this is Community Connection, putting you in touch with what's happening within the community and on our campus. Here's your host.
Welcome to this segment of Community Connection. I'm Rob Thomas. Denise Grupp-Verbon is our guest today. Denise is with the Fine and Performing Arts Department and an instructor here at Owens Community College, here to share with us some information about the upcoming event, Career Development Month. Thank you for joining us, Denise.
Thanks for asking me to come and talk to you, Rob. As the internship manager for the School of Liberal Arts, I'm super excited for the school to be able to present these 12 sessions called Discover Your Possibilities in celebration of National Career Development Month.
Let's share what the sessions will be throughout the month.
Well, the first session, which is on Thursday morning, November 5th, is a self-discovery session called What Would You Like to Do? And it's an interactive session where participants will be thinking about what do they love, what do they hate, what are they good at, and it'll be a very fun session to get the month started off. Then on Monday, November 9th, we actually have two sessions that start the title with Foreign Language Matters. And the morning of November 9th, the foreign language that matters is American Sign Language. So we will be exploring the many benefits of knowing a second language, as well as career paths available for people who know American Sign Language. Then in the evening, also on November 9th, is a session called Foreign Language Matters, and this time it's about Arabic. And we will be exploring the advantages of studying Arabic as a second language and looking at scholarship and job opportunities that are available for Arabic language learners. So those will be very unique sessions that you can kind of hear a little bit about foreign language. Starting the week of November 16th, we have a whole series of sessions called What Can I Do with My Major? And on Monday, November 16th, we are going to be hearing about what music business technology students have been doing since they graduated, as well as I believe there's another guest from across the country. I haven't been told what's going on, but that one's going to be cool. Then on Monday, November 16th, a little bit later in the morning, we have a What Can I Do with My Major with regard to philosophy. And we will learn the benefits of taking a philosophy course at Owens, as well as the potential career opportunities that come with a degree in philosophy. The next session in the What Can I Do with My Major, it's a whole week, is on Tuesday, November 17th, and this presentation will be by our Chair of Fine and Performing Arts, Jeremy Meyer. He's going to talk about what can I do with my major in theater. The next one on Wednesday, November 18th in the morning is a What Can I Do with My Major, discussing both broadcast media and music business. And our guest is the manager of recruitment, focusing on sales engineer area. Her name is Rachel Ritchie, and she's from Sweetwater Sound in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And we're very excited about that guest coming to talk to us. And once again, don't forget, anybody can sign on to these. You don't have to register. You just go to the website and click in. On Thursday, November 19th, I'm very excited that our interim president, Dr. Bill Balzer, is giving a What Can I Do with My Major in Psychology. And he will talk about the broad range of careers in psychology and have a discussion. All of these are going to be open for discussion and questions. So that one is pretty exciting that we got the president to participate with us that day. On Thursday, November 19th, also later in the day, we have a What Can I Do with My Major in Communication Studies. It enhances your ability to connect beyond your 3-foot world, and you can build bridges while tearing down walls and create a unique space in your career path. That one is going to be very interesting. On Thursday, November 19th at 5:30 p.m., we have another, actually it's the final What Can I Do with My Major for that week, and this is for commercial art technology. And one of our adjuncts, Valerie Thompson, is talking with us, and she also is an environmental designer for ProMedica. So she's going to talk about utilizing your design degree to establish yourself in a successful graphic design business. So that one's going to be very cool. On Tuesday, November 24th, I'm very excited about this one. It's called Presenting Your Work and Yourself Virtually. So we're all online now, right? And we've got to learn how to look good, how to present professionally. And we have the wonderful Chief Creative Officer from Mad Av Group, Scott Gregory. I think that Mr. Thomas knows Scott Gregory, and he is brilliant. And his short description of his session is learn to make strong impressions on potential employers and clients. So I'm very excited about that one. And then our final session on Thursday, December 3rd is called Utilizing Social Media in Your Career. And that presenter is the Director of Social Media for Thread Marketing, Kevin Caesar. He is an outside person that has agreed to present. And the first sentence of his description is, what's the value of social media for brands and clients? So that's the final one, is Thursday, December 3rd. And I have to tell you, you should sign in for all of these sessions. These are all going to be so amazing, Rob Thomas. I hope you'll send some of your students to these. They're all free. You just join via Zoom right on the website. There's a meeting ID and passcode all available. I think we can take like up to 100 in each session, so it's not going to be any problem to come in. And what else would you like to know? I just gave you a little overview. What have I missed?
Well, let's talk about the website. If they'd like to find more information, there's a web address that people can go to. And do they need to register?
There's no registration needed. That was a wrinkle that I didn't want to have to deal with. I didn't want to make it complicated, because I wanted folks to be able to say, oh, look, I'm free at this time, I can sign in. And so the website is, you go to owens.edu, then /liberal arts, then /discover. And that page has all the dates, titles, dates, times, descriptions, a little bit about the presenters, and then with each description is the Zoom link with meeting ID and passcode.
All right. It sounds like this will be an exciting opportunity and quite educational and informative for anyone who has an opportunity to attend.
Everybody is welcome. You don't have to be from the School of Liberal Arts.
Again, that's for the Career Development Month. It kicks off on Thursday, November 5th. What time is the first session on November 5th?
That first session on Thursday, November 5th is at 11 a.m.
What would you like to do? A little
basically, yes.
Retrospective. It gives an opportunity for students to think about their future and their goals. And we stress so much about having those short-term, medium, and lifelong goals. And that's certainly what this session will do. And then you'll wrap it up finally with that last session on Thursday, December 3rd, utilizing social media in your career. We all know that's important. Denise Grupp-Verbon, I want to thank you for joining us on this segment of Community Connection. Again, it's Career Development Month that's coming up. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Rob. And just remember that it's all about discover your possibilities.
Thank you.
Thanks Denise for having me.
Verbon, this is Community Connection.
This has been Community Connection. If your group or organization would like to appear on Community Connection, message us from the Owens Community College Radio Facebook page. From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this has been Community Connection.